Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. You can see here we've got all the tranny apart. We're going to fit new bearings in it, new rebuild kit. As you can see here, here's all the gear shafts and all your selectors and all your parts ready to rebuild. It's all going to be cleaned up with brake cleaner, etc. All the old gaskets got off. New gasket put in, a new bearing put in here. The bearing behind this will be done, as will the shifter seal behind here. Try and keep everything together, then you know how the bloody thing goes back together without a book. But I always do use a book, to be honest with you, to check. But need any parts, you know, idiot's way to put all the bolts together. You know, that shows you what selection they go in. Same with the primaries, you know, use a big piece of cardboard and do them on that. But as you can see now, the bike coming along. The tranny's out. Still a bit of a mess, the rest of the bike, but the tranny's beautiful. And the swinging arm I've cleaned up, ready to do all your bearings, put new shocks on. So we just got to clean all this lot up. Not masses of work to do now. So if you're interested in any parts for your bike, give us a bell, 01773835666, customcruisers.com. This is a bit of a restoration. Started off as just being a drive belt, but it certainly turned into quite a massive job. And the routing of the wires was pretty horrendous. We had to cut this one. This goes to the frame. The exhausts were held on with these stupid Jubilee clips, which is a bit horrendous. But the wiring's well suspect and all. But the pipes, a bit of a lash up. But say, customcruisers.com, customcruisers.eu, the new site has got a lot of half price Harley stuff on there. You've got billet wheels, you've got all sorts of crazy parts, literally 50% off. So if you're interested in anything, give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.eu. Thank you.